Hi, I'm Ken, and these are the Parrot Airborne drones. Blaze, SWAT, McLean, Travis, and Mars. Today I will show you how to pilot your mini drone. First, download the free app FreeFlight 3 on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure your battery is fully charged. To charge the battery, use a USB cable to connect the mini drone to a power source. Insert the battery. Connect your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth. Open the FreeFlight 3 app and make sure your mini drone is updated. Upon activation, the mini drone LEDs turn green. Select the appropriate hull mode. Be sure to place your mini drone on a flat surface and to press the flat trim button. Then, press the takeoff button. Now that we're all set, let's go on a mission. For more tips, subscribe to our channel.